Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. I'm Shashi Rai. You are watching National News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi began a two-day visit to Saudi Arabia on Tuesday. At the invitation of Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, the visit will last until April 23. Before leaving, PM Modi said that India and Saudi Arabia have built a strong and helpful relationship. This partnership covers areas like defense, trade, investment, energy, and connections between the people of both countries. US Vice President J.D. Vance, his wife Usha Vance, their children, and senior US officials met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi on Monday. PM Modi recalled his visit to Washington in January and his talks with President Donald Trump, highlighting strong India US ties through Make America Great Again and Viksit Bharat 2047. Both leaders reviewed progress in trade, energy, defense, and technology cooperation. They welcomed ongoing negotiations for a fair India US trade deal and stressed the importance of dialogue on global issues. PM Modi wished the Vance family a pleasant stay in India and sent greetings to President Donald Trump. He also looks forward to Trump's upcoming visit to India. Indian government has put a 12% extra tax on some types of steel to protect local companies. This happened because a report showed that a sudden increase in steel imports could hurt Indian steelmakers. The move comes after the US raised taxes on Chinese goods, which may lead China to send more steel to India. The Reserve Bank of India has made a small change to the rules for how much cash bank need to keep ready. Now banks must set aside a little more money, 2.5% extra for savings that can be quickly moved using internet or mobile banking. This is to make sure banks stay safe and enough money if many people withdraw their funds at once. Gold prices have reached a new high, crossing 1 lakh rupees per 10 gram for the first time. This rise comes after US President Donald Trump announced plans to change the Federal Reserve, causing global markets to be uncertain. As a result, people are turning to gold as a safe investment. On Tuesday, the price of 24 karat gold was 1 lakh rupees per 10 grams, while 22 carat gold was priced at 91,600 rupees. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.